In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to recover deleted messages on Messenger. Let's get in. First, launch your Messenger app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the menu page. Now head over to the option settings. Over here, you're going to find different section. Navigate to the section Account Center. Click on that. Now click on the option Your Information and Permissions. Then head over to the option Download Your Information. Click on the option Download or Transfer Information. Check in for your Facebook username and then click on Next. Click on the option Specific Types of Information. Here you're going to find a list of options. Check in for Messages and click on Next. Click on the option Download to Device. Now you'll need to customize these. First, select the date range. You can also check in for the option All Time. Likewise, select the format and then media quality. Once you are done, click on the option Create Files. And just for that, you have requested for the file download. Once the file is ready, you will be notified through the email address that is linked with your account. So keep eye on your mail. Once you get notified, you can check the mail. You'll get the file that will include all the deleted messages as well. And that's it. This way you are able to recover deleted messages on Messenger. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.